how does a judge or jury decide how much to award in a wrongful death case?
Yeah, and we could probably spend an hour on this because there's so many different variables and factors. Number one, how did the accident occur? Number two, how old was the person that died? And then just the facts and circumstances about how the death occurred. If it was something that was an accident as opposed to something that was more sinister, such as drinking and driving, or if there was some type of criminal behavior on behalf of the defendant, then that can certainly affect the value of the case. But also, keep in mind, just because you get a judgment, and a judge or a jury can award someone $10 million or $15 million, and you see that on billboards a lot. You see where someone says, judgment, we had a judgment for $15 million. Well, it depends on how much insurance is behind that. Because if you get a judgment for $10 million against someone and there's only $25,000 of insurance coverage, then that's all you're going to get. So it's kind of misleading. And so,
right, you see billboards where it says so many millions awarded.
Sure.
But how much has been paid?
Yeah.
I guess that's the question.
Yeah, I had a case years ago where we had $10 million that was awarded to us, and we collected $50,000 because that's all there was in insurance coverage. So, don't fall for that when you see people that, they jump up and down and they say, hey, we got a judgment for so-and-so. It's what's collected that's important, not how much is awarded. Because again, typically you're going to be kind of limited to whatever insurance coverage that you have backing that judgment.